I'm not going to wear any foundation or anything like that, so I'm just going to go in straight with my eyeliner. I'm just going to do e.l.f. It's pretty windy outside. Hey, don't do anything crazy. Well, I mean, if I wanted my eyebrows to be that dark, that would be great. Yeah.